So every website will definitely have a head, the body, and the leg. So that's how the website is actually formed. So in my body, I'll be adding some little tags. So on, just check the keyboard shortcut that is popping up on my screen here, so you can follow suit. Okay, so now I'll be adding some little, okay, I have h1, close the tag. So supposing I just want to write welcome to front and web development. Okay, so now how do I achieve this? This H simply stands for header. So, and if I go to my Chrome, you can see automatically I have it here. If by any reason you did not, yours did not come up, you can just click on this refresh icon, it will refresh. And you can also minimize by going to your file. Make sure you select autosave. Make sure this autosave is enabled, so that anytime you make changes in your code, it will automatically save it and refresh your server. So you can see welcome to front end web development. Then after that, let me try to add some little content. Okay, so I'll be writing another header tag. Let me use h2. Let me just say this is your introduction class. Okay, grab your coffee. Okay, so for instance, I've written this, and let me refresh. You can see the first one is bigger than the second one. Why? Because the h1 is the biggest. We have this header tag from h1 to h6. Let me try to do some little automation. Let me just write h1 times 6. So if I try to write this h1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so each of these header tags has their own size measures. So h1 is the biggest one. After the biggest one, the next one to the biggest one is h2. After h2, we will definitely have our h3. You can see h3, h4, h5, and so on and so forth. So this is my header tree. So let me add another tag. Let me use the p tag. This is for paragraph. This p tag is used for paragraph. So now let me check again. You can see now this appear as a normal text. So with this, we have written everything in our body tag, and you notice that the body tag has the opening tag and corresponding closing tag. When you check the head tag too, we have the opening tag and the corresponding closing tag. When you check the HTML, it has the opening tag and corresponding closing tag. Please, you have to note this, though it is not all tags that have this corresponding closing tag, but majority of the tags we'll be using, we have closing and opening tag. You can see the p tag, you can see, and it has a corresponding closing tag. If by any chance this you did not include the signs, you have messed up the code won't run as expected. So let me undo, which is Ctrl Z. So with this, I believe we have been able to build our simple HTML website. So in our next class, we will be diving deeper on how to progress as a front-end web developer. Thank you.